Hello, and welcome to Reliability Report. I'm John Bailey. Reliability Report is a new video broadcast focused on industry news, particularly around maintenance, reliability, and manufacturing. Each month, we will bring you the latest reports so you can easily keep up with what's happening in the industry. So, without further ado, our top stories. The 22nd Maintenance and Reliability Conference took place last month in Knoxville, Tennessee. The four-day event is hosted by the Reliability and Maintainability Center at the University of Tennessee and hosts reliability professionals from around the world. One thing that makes Marcon different is its intimate size, allowing more interaction among participants, better networking, and better learning opportunities during workshops. The keynote speakers at this year's event included Maureen Midgley from Amazon, Scott Potter from Metro Water Services, and Yahya A. Hamdi, a member of the Saudi Engineers Council. Just a few other upcoming events include Reliable Plant Conference and Exhibition, April 17th through the 19th in Indianapolis, Indiana. The Reliability Conference in Las Vegas, April 23rd through the 27th. Manufacturing and Technology Conference and Expo in Raleigh, North Carolina, May 8th through the 10th. The Electric Power Reliability Summit in Houston, May 16th and 17th. And IISE in Orlando, Florida, May 19th through the 22nd. Uptime Magazine's Reliability Program Awards recognize organizations that demonstrate excellence in managing equipment reliability using advanced strategies and high-tech sensing technologies. Uptime announced the recipients of their 2017 Uptime Awards earlier this year. The Best Reliability and Asset Management Award winners include the following. Jacobs Engineering Group took the top honor of Best Overall Reliability Program for their work at NASA's Langley Research Center. Mercedes-Benz USA got the award for Best Leadership for Reliability Program. Reliability Report sponsor Eruditio supported Mercedes as their training provider through coaching and their IBL program. The University of Maine is getting a $10 million gift from an anonymous donor. The money will go toward construction of a new 100,000 square foot engineering, education, and design center. Dean of Engineering Donna Humphrey says the facility will be the center for the college's undergraduate engineering education programs and will allow students to be educated for the modern world and allow collaborative learning. Humphrey believes the new construction will be critical to the future engineering jobs in Maine, as the number of these jobs has been increasing over the past several years. A new Procter & Gamble facility tops the growing list of new manufacturing plants or expansions in West Virginia. While P&G is closing plants in Kansas City and Iowa City, they are currently under construction of a 2 million square foot facility in Martinsburg, which will employ approximately 900 workers. In addition to P&G, several other companies are bringing manufacturing jobs to the area. The Rockwool Group, Toyota, Hino Motors, Tima, and Armacell top the list of new facilities coming to the Mountain State. Just these 6 new facilities will bring about $1 billion into the state and employ more than 1,400 people just to start. Overall, manufacturing employment is expected to rise at a pace of nearly 1% per year. Data from the Bureau of Business and Economic Research shows that overall, West Virginia's manufacturing sector accounts for 7% of jobs in the state and roughly 10% of the total economic impact in West Virginia. SpaceX is in the early stages of a possible manufacturing facility on an 18-acre site at the port in Los Angeles. The facility would build massive commercial transportation vessels. According to a project description, the completed vessels would be too large for delivery by road and would have to be transported by water on a supply barge, making the facility location at the port an obvious necessity. Neither SpaceX nor port officials would elaborate on plans for the site. Azima Inc. recently announced the release of the Trio C8, a next-generation handheld vibration data collector engineered to meet the exacting specifications of predictive maintenance professionals and machine reliability engineers. The Trio C8 is the result of 36 months of intensive product research into the form factor requirements of maintenance and reliability personnel on the plant floor. Trio C8 is designed to maximize the screen view while maintaining a very small product footprint. Azima CEO Bert Herlock said, quote, "In-house PDM experts no longer have to choose between portability and viewability. Trio C8 delivers the best of both worlds." According to a recent study, the industrial Internet of Things is on the rise. Allied Market Research recently published a report about IIoT, which valued its 2016 market size at $115 billion. According to this report, that number is expected to grow to $197 billion by 2023. IIoT consists of a system of industrial machines and embedded systems that talk to each other, creating smart facilities. It differs from machine-to-machine systems, or M2M, in that IIoT integrates big data, machine learning, and analytics into these existing communications. If your facility is looking to incorporate IIoT technology in the near future, a few things you can do to get prepared include: build or clean your hierarchy and asset data, identify the critical assets to pilot sensor technology, and identify common failure modes you want to monitor via failure modes effects analysis. SMRP has announced its new 2018 student advancement opportunities, including access to free webinars, the opening of applications for the SMRP Annual Scholarship Program, and student membership. These opportunities are designed to give students enrolled in maintenance, reliability, and engineering-focused studies exposure to real-world topics as well as SMRP members that can help them transition into their careers. Well, that concludes our pilot newscast of Reliability Report. Be sure to join us next month for more news around the industry. I'm John Bailey. Have a great day.